The audio that was used in this video was carefully selected to relate to the Atlantic Ocean, in which I have grown up loving my entire life while being raised in Cape Breton, Nova Scotia. For a majority of my life, I have been involved with everything surrounding aquatic life in the Atlantic Ocean, which would be including fishing, swimming, and exploring. The audio itself invokes a biotic and abiotic relation, as you can hear the waves crashing and the birds squawking. This unlocks my relationship with marine life, as the sounds in the audio are almost second nature to my upbringing. The images and videos used in this project are from my own personal collection. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest of the world's 5 oceans. It covers approximately 20% of the Earth's surface. It is also home to tuna, seals, and various types of whales. These animals are native to Atlantic Ocean and survive through interspecific competition, where these animals will feed off of various types of fish, phytoplankton, and algae matter. I always say that if you're new to ecology or seek interest in the environment, the beach is the best way to learn. You can see a variety of ecosystems, inter- and intraspecific competition, various marine animals, and living interactions. Not only can you learn in a relaxing manner, but you can also do so without negatively impacting the environment around you. It is important to relate back to the history of the indigenous when talking about the Atlantic Ocean, because there are several species in which are at risk due to overconsumption and overfishing. This is important to highlight because marine life and the way land is used is a key factor in the beliefs of the indigenous communities in Nova Scotia.